Hi, I'm Nicholas, a member of FreeAgent support team. In this video, I'll guide you through the 3 different ways to record business costs in FreeAgent. You can either add an out-of-pocket expense, add a bill, or explain a bank transaction. The way you should record the cost depends on how and when you or your team paid for that cost. If you or one of your team paid for the cost using personal funds, you will add an out-of-pocket expense. Go to the My Money tab and choose Expenses. If you have a sole trader account with no employees, you'll just see Expenses at the top of the screen. Select Add New and choose the user who paid for the cost, the relevant expense category, date, and amount of the cost. It's important to ensure the correct user has been selected because creating the out-of-pocket expense will record the cost in the accounts and record the amount owed back to the user. If you received a supplier invoice and will pay it at a later date using business funds, you would add a bill. For example, a solicitor's bill due in 30 days. Go to the Bills tab and select Add New Bill. Choose the supplier who sent the bill, the date of the bill, and when it's due to be paid. Then enter the amount and relevant spending category. You'll see unpaid bills in the Age Creditors report. If the cost was paid right away using business funds, wait for the bank transaction in question to be imported in FreeAgent and explain it. Go to the Banking tab, select Bank Accounts, and choose the account used to pay for the cost. Find the transaction and explain it as a payment to the relevant cost category. So, if the cost was paid for using personal fund, you will add an out-of-pocket expense. If you received a supplier invoice and will pay it at a later date using business funds, you will add a bill. Or if the cost has been paid for right away using business funds, you will explain the bank transaction as a payment to the relevant cost category.